There it is. Waiting for the stupid go live button on YouTube. Okay, I go get my coffee. Okay. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. So this is not a normal work stream. My plan is to start a new project and do Friday R&D on BHOP 3 because the first step in failure is trying. Trying is the first step in failure. If you don't try, you can't fail. In order to fail, I must try. So, I made this new OBS scene of my screen. 8.3 milliseconds to render. Let's see. Oh, so with a U. Wow, I misspelled it every single time. Alright. So first thing to do is make a new empty repository. We call this git this one. Strafe. It's the Strafe client. Did I spell it correctly? Client. Okay. Yep. Wow, that's impressive. Okay. Yeah. I sneeze. Good song. Is it Pop Up? Your Dreams? Yes. I have to know my music. It's a must for me. Alright. So we go to the folder. Strafe client. And then we do Rust. How do you use this? Help. Oh. I think it's this one. Init. All right, cargo. Init. Cargo add volcano. This is new. Okay. What happened? What is Volcano? Volcano is Vulkan, the graphics API, bindings for Rust, the programming language. All right. So I've done this once before. All right. So what's here? So it's kind of silly that they use GitHub for their package manager registry. It's very silly, actually. Bit flags. Byte muck. Can you see this? It's kind of like under my camera. Core Foundation. Wow. That's the Core Foundation. You're a Rust coder? Not yet. I expect to get sucked into it and like become a fanatic. So StrafesNet Strafe client. It is the Strafe client. I was thinking like, is it the Strafes client or is it the StrafesNet client or is it the Strafe client? Why not C? Because like my game has been suffering from memory leaks. I do not think about freeing memory. So C is that would like anything I write would crash instantly, would fill your RAM and then crash. So at least with Rust, it'll fail to compile and you won't be able to run it at all. Speaking of failing to compile, nothing Rust succeeds compiling on my system. Managed to make a Lua memory leak. Yep, you just gotta get those global tables in there. Is this stream weird? Is it actually 60 FPS? Yeah, I think it is. Oh my god. Wait. Windows? No. Whoa. Alright, what does this guy look like? Whoa, let's build it. Whoa. Cargo build. Watch it fail. Oh my god, it's hot. This is like my hottest shirt too, so not looking good. Oh. 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 Wow. Alright, I'm sorry, I have to turn off my camera. It's much too hot. Okay. So my first thought is that I should try to make a command line application, and this looks promising. Maybe I shouldn't have I don't know. You know, be cool is if like there was a crate for the command system, and then a crate for the GUI system, etc. and stuff. You know, because like this is great and all. CLIB, yes. Oh, I love this song. Wait, it's my playlist. Okay, what do I call it? Should I even call it? Okay, like I can't be building this every freaking time. Okay, what happens if I build it again? Cargo build. Okay, it's like, hey, you're dumb. Okay, let's go into there. Okay, if I go open, oh, I can't do that. Folder, get, close. No way. Okay. No. Oh God. How do you do this? Yeah, okay. Amazing. Wow, that's truly programming. Okay, what if I do this? Okay, so it actually doesn't rebuild everything. So maybe, I mean, it seems kind of dirty to do that. Checked out your Vulkan and see Wizard Brother. What? I think that I should just get over with it already and become a Rust enthusiast, because like I fit the description, you know. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do it. All right, it's called command in my thing. Shut up. It's called command. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Now we have a new application. See, I'm very good at this. I'm I can make a new project. All right. LSP Rust. I'm crying. All right. We're here. Okay. Bad. We do not like spaces. How do you do this? I forget already. Okay. All right. So now it should build way faster. Yep. Done. Yeah. Okay. So it's there. All right. So. Goddamn. Right. Right. Okay. I mean, that's kind of weird, but okay. That's a thing. Okay, we're just gonna leave this. All right. So I need to write code, otherwise I will not learn anything. So I'm gonna try to make the command module. So how does that work? What is that font? This is Intel Monospace. I saw it on a Phoronix article. And I was like, sure, why not? Supposedly, it has been R&D'd to minimize reading errors for like almost blind people. So, you know, me, who needs glasses? What the hell? Okay. Oh, it's on this one, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, Intel 1 Mono. Wow. I'm not a big fan of the curly brace, but like, whatever. Okay, so what do I need? How do you write a comment? Okay, so in my command module, goddamn, okay. How do I do this? All right. Simply, yeah, this is like dumb and bad. This is like the meat right here, is the parser. Not sure I want to do that. I probably should. Dumb and bad. That was my review of the command module. I code in monospace. Yeah. There's no arguing that. Aw. Like, what is it with me in global tables? Ugh. What am I gonna like make a command instance? Is this too hard? Look at the trails. Jesus. X11 moment. Can you hide this bit? Cool. Wow. Wait. Wait. No, they're two different projects. I don't know. Okay. Oh, must keep trying. Must not give up. I have a main function. So what do I want? I want to define command permissions with bit flags. So there's what do I just literally scan the entire list? I assume so. I was thinking about this last night. I was thinking like, how do you make it faster than O(n)? And like pretty much it's hash tables. You would have a giant memory index of all the commands as you're typing it out by character and stuff. I don't know, but like, well, I mean, right. It matches 1-to-1. The command, right. So, define commands with multiple aliases. Permissions with bit flags. Oh my god. So, right. So in my head, I imagine the command system could be split into 3 parts. Type parsing, the like string parsing bit. The action bit where like the command does something, and then the command runner that like is the glue between those two, where like it runs when you say something and it tries to match it to a command. All right, so 3 parts. How do you do a big comment? Ooh, okay. How do you do this? It's input parser, action description, action function, which is basically just strongly typed functions. Named strongly typed functions. So, example, kill player. But you can't really do that without players and characters. Lua bindings for Rust. Yeah, that's I think that would greatly accelerate bhop 3, but it's not really. I don't want to hold on to legacy code. I want to write everything new and good and fresh and better, and then do it again, and then do it again, and then do it again. Input parser. Takes a string and a. Well, I mean that's kind of part of the command doohickey. Something, I don't know. Command. All right. Oh, look at me writing Lua. Kill! So action function is like, once again, the old Lua function, but at the same time, kill. It's like player. What? Player.character break joints. Whoa, and then the input parser, what does that do? I mean, the command really does the heavy lifting. The input parser, it's more like definitions. Is the kill with Command. How do you, what should the bit flags be? Permission admin or something. I don't know. So it calls the kill function. What is that? Does that do anything? That, I think that implicitly makes it complicated. If I explicitly define that it is supposed to use the player type to generate a goober instead of, okay, so this is a action function. Oh crap. Alright, so the input parser is something. It's a thing. It's something. Alright, I have to try not to reinvent this too much. So I think I'm gonna explicitly specify the matching types for this. So I don't die trying to implicitly friggin' oh, literally? Oh my god. Okay. Huh. What, like this or something? I mean, okay, so this is sort of implied. Oh my god, bro. Right, but like there's more than one way to generate a player. In my other command system here, I have commander. Ooh, commander. What the hell? Oh. Oh. Yeah, so the type def for commander, it just, oh, it gives the type of player. So there's 3 parts to it. There is go. There's the name, there's the action, and there's the input consumption. So the second argument here is input. 30 minutes just for a hello world. Yeah, I don't know Rust and I don't know Vulkan, and so like, what, am I gonna write an entire application in 30 minutes? Come on. That's why the first step in failure is trying. That's why that's the title. If I don't try, I can't fail. Okay, I'm wondering if the scope of this is too big. I mean, it's bit flags, strings, functions. The parser can relax. I can just like make a cringe parser for now and then just like make a good one later, because like it's too much. So subscribed. You're subscribed for hello world? Seriously? Thank you. Whack QX for subscribing with Prime. Oh. Hi. Player. Type def. I mean, I don't actually need. I don't know. Should I be not using strings and do like like frigging command def. I don't, how do you write Rust with, I see these colons everywhere, I don't know. Okay, so imagine there's like player. Wow. Okay, no, it's input parser. It's the input parser, but like no, it's like I can just directly pass the player input parser instead of like indexing with strings and all these like stupid freaking. I have to get rid of all my pre-assumptions. Would it be possible to make it so that if people sub or donate, they become variables in your code? You see, this is what I like, real streamer things, and I don't really want to do real streamer things. I just want to share my programming and have it have people to talk to and help me, not help me, but like the streaming helps me focus. I'm not into that. That's why I don't like accept when people say like I'll give you $10 if you say my name, or I don't know, like just challenges and stuff. I'm not into it. I don't want to do it. So okay, I'm thinking here that I directly specify which input parsers I want to use. And then I don't know. It's just the old razzle dazzle for the input parsers, but like, how do I? So if I'm defining commands, how do I gain access to the input parsers? Should they be defined all in one place? Okay, so yeah, no, that's a good point. That's a good point. Okay, so I could have, so in Lua terms, I could go like command, or no, like yeah, no, command input parsers core, I don't know, just underscore because it's like a thing, equals obtain command, just this with a friggin' this guy because it's funny. Okay. And then you do player input parser equals command input parsers core dot player, and it's just like it gives you the parsers so I don't smash strings around everywhere. I mean, strings are kind of cool, but like probably try to avoid strings. Oh my god, bro. Kill. So this is aliases, command aliases, command permissions, required, please, permissions, bit flag. This is action, and this is input parsers. No, my god. Gonna have to learn Rust if I want to keep being a bHub dev. Well, fortunately for you, I'm gonna have to learn Rust too. So if you tune into the streams and write code, then yeah. I'm not even sure if this is like the right choice. Like C sounds really cool. I would love to write C, but I just think that I am a terrible memory management human being. programmer. And I would write memory leaks like there's no tomorrow. I slightly know Rust. Hire me. No way. Rust manages memory for you, but it also fucks you while doing that. Kill. Oh. So yeah, I'm thinking like this. So I define parsers where they are used. And then if multiple scripts need them, then I make a separate module that contains them for for multiple scripts. I mean, how do you call a compiled language file? It's not a script. It's a program. Oh my god, bro. Holy. Okay, so in order to do this, a VTuber model. That's pretty cringe. Oh no. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, it's right here. Okay. Yerp. Alright, just this. Row. Mm-hmm. Wow. Poggers. R. Okay, I'm trying to think about the algorithmic complexity of this, and like, can I just make a function, do a thing, make a function, do a thing? Okay, so like if I actually do it the same way as this, where I'm matching arguments, like greedily, and then like only if it matches, and then like stuff. Like goddamn, I'm gonna have to learn frickin' regex. Holy. Regex. All I know is Lua string patterns. Like, Jesus. 13 years of programming experience, and what do I have to show for it? Lua. Ah! Okay, like parsers, it's parsers. It's like the parsers for the command. I don't know, man. What else can I make? What the hell? My whole desktop just shifted. I was thinking like simple echo stuff. Is that really a All right, how do we? Oh yeah, all right. Rust read input. Insane. All right, we have code. Please. Oh. Mutt. Mutable. Right, I don't even know the entire language, the frickin' borrow checker and all that. Enter a name. String new. What the hell? So this is an error. This is a value. This is a reference to a mutable value. Mutable means changeable. Rust mutt keyword. Starting somewhere. Mutt. Several situations? Oh my god. Mutt. So mutable means you can change it. So you pass a into this goober, and then it can go like, I am going to change a, and then what the black? Oh, it's this function. Black. Wait, what? That's crazy. Okay. So you can have a value 3 that doesn't have any variable. Right. Okay, I see. So that was a bit confusing. Okay, so there's this value 3. It goes here. It's okay, you're loud. I know you're a good song, but like be less loud. Oh, right. I don't have a virtual machine open. I was trying to like swap back into the virtual machine. All right, so this is 1 byte. It's an integer, 1 byte, unsigned integer of 8 bits. The 3 value goes in here, and this means it can be changed inside the function, whereas this means it cannot be changed inside the function. And it returns the same doodad. So it's added, plus equals y, so 4. So 3 becomes 7 and is returned, but it's like a memory value that went into the function, was changed, and then came out. It's the same address instead of a copy. And then, so now A, what? Oh, it's not related. Oh, that's cringe. Okay. Is it just gonna let? I'm guessing that's like local. Gotta start somewhere. Baby steps. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at all these. Dude, I hate that Lua doesn't have these. Let doesn't work outside of functions. Lying. Clearly. Run. No way. Main. No way, it's a Rust. Wait. Did it? Oh, it just does nothing. Okay, awesome. Wow, very cool. Really cool program. So it just does nothing if it works. All right, so if I go like 7, 8, and then I go, it's gonna be like, actually, assertion failed, left does not equal right. Okay. So if you, if you try to change this, does this mean it's, also a reference? A mutable reference, a mutable variable, a mutable reference. So I was wrong. It is a copy. It's a reference if it has the ampersand. Taken. What is a taken? Is that Rust terminology? I don't know. What does that mean? So only one variable is allowed to point to the value at one time? Really? So the bar, what the bar checker means is that I can't go like, that? Ooh! Okay, so because this is a reference, only one thing can point to it at a time. Is that real? Okay. So I can make a new copy, and that's fine. But what the borrow checker means is only one variable can point to it at a time. Is that accurate? It's probably more complicated than that, but that's actually very frightening. Oh, so how do I? Cool. All right, it's a real software. Okay. All right, so let's run this. Wow, it works. That's amazing. Wow, this is fantastic. I love this programming language. Okay, so this goes here, is written to, because it's a reference, it's a mutable reference. Okay, what does that mean? Who did this? Okay, so mutable reference. What does that mean? Okay, so if a mutable variable can't have more than one mutable. Mutable means changeable. What happens if I do this? Okay. Which is not implement the copy trait. Mm-hmm. Yes. So it was slightly different like this. Oh, never mind. Okay. So this would mean that W cannot be changed later after assignment. Is that correct? So if I do this, it cannot be changed. Cannot borrow as mutable. Okay, what happens if I do like this? Is that real? Mismatched types. Ah, oh, I see. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, so I assume what will happen now is this will not hold true. Oh! Borrow. Oh, so whoa. Okay, so because this is a new variable, it's trying to reference this value. So it's like you're writing this. It's like I'm writing this, which is the same error. Use of moved value. Smoking crack. Okay. So then do like this. So basically, if I just clone everything everywhere all the time, I can create memory leaks just like in Lua. Mutable is not declared. Okay, mutable means borrow as mutable. So does vec have to be mutable in order to use this function? Wait. Oh, I see. Okay, it's saying okay, so okay. So because I'm wait, really? Push is changing. Yeah, okay, so now it runs, but it's wrong because the V here is cloned and it's no longer the same one. And then when it's edited, it's just dumped and like nobody remembers it. And then it compares the old one to that. And this is also not possible because it's not changeable. Yeah. Okay, so interesting. So now if I have it like this, it'll still not work. Oh, wait. Oh, right, I had clone. Okay. Okay, so in order to get everything to work, it has to be a mutable reference. Oh, is that, do you have to do it like that? I don't remember. Oops. I forgot. Does this go over here? Am I crying? Oh. Okay, so now that runs again. Passing variables to functions. Okay, so there's two options. You can clone or you can mutable. Put mut back where it was. I don't know where it was. It's in the wrong spot. Lying. Hello? My bad. Never taking advice from Jeff again. Jeff silenced. What's this? Mutable raw pointers work much like mutable references, with the added possibility of not pointing to a valid object. I love the added possibility of not pointing to a valid object. The syntax is star. Asterisk. What the hell? Wait, where is the asterisk? I don't see it. Alright. What the hell? What does this do? It errors? Oh, I see. Why? Why? Okay. Not pointing to a valid object. What does that mean? So this is a mutable reference of v, just like we passed into this function. So that's the same as this. And then, what the hell? Huh? So this is a not mutable reference to just the value. So it's a reference that cannot change. Why can't you have like this? Because the variable is mutable, so which means it's changeable. So I pass a reference to the value. Okay, it said something about this. Raw pointers. So this, I assume, is a raw pointer. No, this is a... Allowing users suppressing the warning for the variable not being used. Oh, okay. Trying to make a new reference to something that it already has a reference. Trying to make a new reference to something that already has a reference. Trying to make a new reference to something that already has a reference. Okay. So this value is somewhere in memory or on the stack. And this variable refers to it. That is the reference. No, that doesn't make sense. I don't get it. Ref v. V is the owner of the data. So mute ref v is the mutable reference to v, which means that the reference can be edited, or it means that it is like this together, where it's like this. So it's like, it's a reference to mutable data and not like a mutable reference to data. I think so. God damn it. What if I do like this? Hello? Do like this. What happens? Oh. Naughty, naughty. So it's a reference to mutable data. So I can use the reference to mutate the mutable data because it says it's mutable. Freaking space makes everything make sense. Okay. Cool. Biochecker learned. Rust. Master. mut makes it a mutable reference, and makes it a immutable reference. So basically, this is mutating. This counts as mutating. So no matter what you do, okay, I have a new cringe to do. Okay, so if I do like this, and then I do like v.clone, no, that still doesn't work, does it? Because it's, I don't know, we'll see. Oh, that works. Okay, so that function doesn't return anything? Yes, that's the point, is that that's why I said cringe. Okay, so if I do this, it's mutating something that's not mutable. And it goes like, excuse me, you cannot do that. And then, but if I do this, it's a reference to V. And then I can clone it, and now I have a new thing that I can do whatever the hell I want. Fancy, 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 fancy. But it doesn't, the program doesn't work because this is a new value that's not related to the old value. And so when I check the old value, it's not changed to this new value, new freaking memory structure. Okay. Cool. Okay, so that's important. So you can do this. Oh, what if I should be allowed to do this now, right? Because it doesn't actually, we'll see. Yes. Okay, so this is implicitly mutable because you're mutating it, I assume. So what if I do, okay, so if I go like this, let W equal V clone, and then W push, this will error, or not compile. But then if I do mut, it will compile. Haha. Yes, okay, so cannot borrow as mutable because it's going to goober it. But then if we mut, now it compiles, but does nothing because it's cringe. So this is the same code as this, except there's no variable. We could probably do this. I assume it returns it. Ooh. Oh. So now if I do this, it errors again because, like, you know. But then if I do this, huh? Unit type. Okay, so it doesn't actually return the value. Okay, so I'm just going into. So what's vec push? Rust vec push. Okay, so is this the one I want? No, okay. Rust vec push, please. Vec in the std dot push. Oh my god. Okay. Result. So what, this returns nothing? Okay, so that was an empty tuple. So this dude, oh, that was weird. Okay, this dude in the goober guy is, this guy is an empty tuple. All right. Well, that's freaking cringe. Okay. I was hoping to, like, you know, like, whee. Okay. Making sense so far. I'm still crapping my pants about the variables only being able to have one reference. The borrow checker. That sounds like it's like the main fight with the Rust compiler is just like working the lifetime of the objects through your thick skull. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. 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 So I'm going to start with something really easy. I'm going to have... I guess I'll do a hash table. I don't know. Okay, so I want to read a string. I want to select a function and call it. So I want to have function 1, and we can do like this. And function 2, what is that? Okay. And then you can have unlimited immutable references. If you have a mutable reference, you cannot have any other references. So only one. Oh, that's terrifying. Can you unmute a mutable reference? All right, so I want to go like this in the command line. I want to go like 1 and have it print I am function 1. And then I want to go 2 and have it print, well, call the function I am function 2. Sheesh. All right, let's search in Python terms. Rust dict. Wait, really? What the hell? Actually? Okay. What? What? Okay, what's the... False because it fails. Key is a stir slice. What the hell does that mean? I heard that strings are made to be imbigable. So they have like extra space allocated so that you can like write into them, and then they grow so that it's like fast to like work with. So if you're going to do work putting strings together to make bigger strings and like concatenating and adding characters onto the string is good. But if you just want 5 characters and it's always a 5 characters, then probably stir slice. All right, what the hell is stir slice? Rust. Oh, Rust. I want your Rust all on me now. Rust. Excuse me. Stir. The slice type. No way. What the hell? Two string. Okay. Where's the frickin' slice? How do I do this? Oh, is that it? Wait, no, that's a range, isn't it? Oh my god, bro. Where's the slice? Primitive stir. Please, sir. Send me the docs. Oh, Rust Master. What the that's a lifetime, isn't it? Stood stir, stood slice. Stir slice. I have just ignored lifetimes for the most part. Yeah, I think I'll start out like that as well. And then suddenly I'll see something and I'll go, oh, and then I'll add it everywhere all over my code.
Oh, that's how it works.
Okay, what is this? Okay. Human music. What the heck? Oh, bytes. What, is this null terminated? The F character counts as two. Oh, this is a Unicode character. Okay. I missed that. Okay, well that's not a problem. That makes sense cuz like that's actually how it is. Okay. Stir. Oh, so is this a stir? All right. So this is a string. Does this? Okay. What is this? Stin read line. Let's do Rust. Oh, Rust. Where's the? Oh, there it is. String. It must be string. Okay. Okay. Well, okay, but dict is always a string. Create a dictionary of strings. Does this mean it's string to string? Like key value, string to string. What if I want string to function? It mutates the string you pass in. Yes. Correct. So you're like, I'm a mutable string. And then guess what happens in this function? It mutates the string. Instead of being in C where it's like, guess what happens? Who knows? Are you passing a value? Are you passing a reference to a value? Are you passing a reference to a value that's going to be written to? Nobody knows. Who knows? The string part tells it that you want a dict of strings. Yeah, but is it like... Does that mean that the types are always the same, where it's like string to string, or if I do int, it's int to int? I don't think it's needed. god, bro. Okay, so
We can iterate just like an array.
that's fucking awesome. I've seen this freaking doodad looking thing. Like, why? This is an anonymous function or something? Like, what are you smoking about? It's the syntax is so goofy. It's called a turbofish. Anonymous function. Okay, so I was right. That's very wacky. Why wouldn't you use round bases? Like what? Well, I guess it has to parse differently, but like absolute value, really, it looks so dumb. Double colon used for methods or something? No, they just throw that in there to confuse you. I see abs. Yep. I see a TIE fighter. All right. Yeah. How do I get characters to function? It goes A to B. So what I want to do is I want to have like Mr. Lua. Oh wow. Okay, well I'll explicitly say string. So 1 is 1 and 2 is 2. And then now I want to do basically right here I want to do in Lua terms I want to do T guess call it. So this created as an exercise in extinct. Wait, what? It is more efficient to use hash map. Huh? Oh, it's a crate. What the flake? Okay, so this. Random state? Are you smoking? Can we? Where's big old Doc? Struct. Oh, binary heap. Oh. Sorry. So. Oh, that looks fancy. Oh, look, example. Okay, let's go.
Book reviews.
So type inference lets us a minute. Oh my god. Wait, really? Does it just like go, yes, this string here is a string, and then it puts the type in there? I guess if your language is insane, then you can do that. All right, so I believe I can just go like this. And then it's in, and I go like Rust build, and it's like, oh, you're importing hash map, and then it does it. All right, we got book reviews. Oh, you're not allowed to do this? We'll see about that. All right, book reviews dot add. I don't remember. Insert. Okay. One dot two string 1 real. Two underscore string. I guess that's okay. You can also use cargo run. Oh, that's... I forgot about that. Okay. 2. All right. And then we do... dot get guess, except this, oh, it is a string. Okay, so now we have hello, so contains key, remove dot get. Ooh, wait, match, what does that mean? For what is match? What is that? Okay, this is like complicated things, but like probably applicable to command system. Okay. All right, we got book reviews. Cargo run. Nice. Okay. Expected item. So you said that it doesn't work in the goober, so that's okay. We can just like table. All right. So even better. Why don't I? Okay, this is gonna. Lua Brain, he called it a table. Yep. Okay, this is not book reviews. I'll do it. Okay. Action. All right. So now, basically, what we do now is I'm going to check for slash and read after, I guess. All right. Okay, what kind of string goobies can we do? Oh, Rust string. Oh. Why is there lowercase and uppercase? A growable string. I think it's this guy, right? Methods. Extend from within. The beast lies within you. Lives within you. Okay, so pop. What the hell? What's the best way to learn Roblox coding? I couldn't tell you. Probably learn by doing. Do what I'm doing. So right now I'm trying to learn how to write code in Rust by trying to write code in Rust. By using Rust. Yes, learn Roblox by using Rust. So I've set myself a goal to try to recreate my my famous command system, and it's kind of a bigger goal than I expected. I'm struggling to I mean, not really. I'm on a roll. I'm trying to, yeah, no, I'm grooving. It's definitely more of a struggle than writing Lua because I have no idea what I'm doing. There it is. Okay, remove. IDEX means index. Removes a character and returns it. Let's go! Okay. Remove 0. If. Is this. How do frickin' if statements work in Rust? Alright. Nobody cares. Okay. Okay. All right. So else, and then this goes like this. Unimplemented. That's goofy. All right. Equals. I don't know. Probably not. So what does that, what does this do? Remove. Char. Do I need to do like zero or something? Do I need to do something insane like that, or should be fine with just the quotes? All right, so this is mutating the goober, and then okay, so let unmutated guess equal guess clone, because in order to print the original, I need to have a clone of the original data, and then this mutates it. Does that actually call it? I don't know. Well, we'll see. All right, let's see what the big ol' compiler man says. Nice. Okay. Call expression requires function. Okay. Oh, okay. Expected item. Is that still there? No, that's the old one. Okay, we're here. Mismatched types. This argument has type function1. Which causes actions to have type hashmap string function1. Do I need to frigging reference or something? And then how do I call a reference? How do I like dereference? Do I even want to do that? Is that even smart? Am I gonna die instantly? Let's just see what that says. Oh, so this has causes actions one. Yep, and then now it's a function 2. So the entire function is its own type. So how do I make it so it has some sort of standard type? So note that different function items have unique types even if their signatures are the same. And then it'll tell me what to do, right? The return type of this call is function2 due to the type of the argument passed. Okay. Influences the return type of insert. That's fancy. Rust library. Consider casting. Hey, there we go. Casting both fn items to fn pointers using as fn. Let's do a busty Google. I'm gonna bust Rust. Yes, okay, thank you, Mr. Online Person. Okay. You can cast a function item to a function pointer. What the hell does that mean? You can explicitly function pointers. What the hell? Why does this look different? Okay. Type. Okay, so we have an add function defined. This is some x value that can be changed. And then we go bust. So this is a let. Wait, doesn't that mean it's two goobers pointing to the same value? Wasn't that not allowed? How old? Oh, no, it's only mutable references. You need to unwrap the value. Okay. I'll just blindly do that and not worry about what it means. Okay, so this is not a mutable reference. This is not a mutable reference. So they're allowed to coexist and then die together at the end of this scope. If I do this, oh my god, and then I empty tuple, if I do this, I guess I'll do it like this. And then I do this. Does that... Are they both goober functions now? Oh my god. So this is... Expected one of 8 possible tokens. The compiler is showing its internal workings. It's like, actually you're supposed to write one of these characters. Actually this is completely wrong. I'm the compiler. Can't use a type alias as a constructor. Is that what I was doing here? What the hell is a constructor? So this is like valid syntax then. Really? Holy. Okay. Well, what if I do like this? What happens? Oh, it's smaller. Okay. Okay, so this is, yes, okay. So this is not a value initialization. So I was trying to cast to this type. Can I just like function it and be like, I'm casting a type? Ah, it's doing the same thing. Interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna look up Rust hash map of functions. Function pointers in a hash map. Oh, lifetime! Oh my god. So, where's the syntax highlighting, man? Come on. Oh, thank you. Okay. Type callback equals option. Option. Okay. Function string. Not quite, but it'll work. Okay. What is that? Bro, what? Self. Ah! Really? Like, what? Type hint the hash map as like this. Yeah, I think that makes a bit more sense. All right, I'm a goober function. You're a goober function. We are all goober functions. Okay, but okay. So this means something. Um. So that means something. Wow, that means something. All right. Let's see what happens. Did I do that wrong? Is it above it? What, it's not there? What, like that? Equals? What are you smoking? So expected function pointer found reference. Now don't reference the functions. Is it smaller amount of errors? Did I S? Can we try again? What? It didn't change. You are scrolling up too far. Oh. Thank you. I need this to be colored. Yeah, so I was thinking, okay, so consider the borrowing. Okay. Okay, so I was passing it like, hey function, make a copy of this value and then use it. But it was expecting a reference. Okay. Oh! What, it compiled and then panicked? No! Oh, only I could manage to make a Rust program that compiled panic. Called option unwrap on a none value. Bro called option unwrap on a none value. What the, like, what kind of okay, so we're trying again. No! So how does this work? Call expression requires function. Okay. Found option. Okay. So you're unwrapping the option. Unwrap panics if there's no value. We actually reached this point. Holy. All right. Let's try again. Oh. Wait. Wait a second. You entered banana thread panicked which backtrace, which is not a command. What? Wait, what? What? Why is it getting? Where is it getting this from? Huh? 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 Which is not a command. Huh? 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 How did it get this? Wait. Oh my god. Okay, new line. Why was that in the middle? Why was this thing in the middle? Okay, so it includes a new line character. Okay, so the value doesn't exist because it includes a new line character. Okay, I'm gonna pop. Perfect. All right, we've it's good. That's proper programming. Rust string. Remove isn't mutable, so you're searching for /1. Remove isn't mutable? What are you talking about? It's right here. Wait. Oh, wait, what? No. Remove. It's called remove. You're on crack. Easy. Screw it. All right. Okay. Bubba. Ay, okay. And then we do it again. My name is 1. Yo! Oh, wow. Wow, dude. I have been programming in Rust for 1 hour and 48 minutes. And I have achieved my first goal here. Whoa. Goober function. Seriously? Oh my god. Wait, but okay, that actually works? So, okay, so it's implicitly typecasting to a generic function type rather than explicitly or like, I guess explicitly maybe, the exact function as its own type. Well, I do agree. Explicit is best. Okay. Okay, what happens if I do this? Parser function. This can remain like this. What I want it to be is player string, or yeah, no, player string for the game. But what if I do like this? What happens? What is that? Consider using a semicolon. Consider the following. Did I... Wait, was this returning? It was returning. Wait, is that how it works? Why? How did that build? Wait, what? Alright, expected... Okay, expected nothing. Found option. Okay, so this is now... Oh, okay, so it's piping all the way through. Hold on. Okay. Where is the... Okay, mismatch types. Expected function pointer, found function item. Rerun? What do you... Well, that's command. Now on to Qbox. Implementation complete. Okay, why did this... Okay, so I've changed... Oh, okay. When the, oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Compiler. Oh my god. Here is the godlike compiler in action. When the arguments and the return types match, functions can be coerced to function pointers. Which is how it compiled before. But now I have this goober, which I didn't know what it was. Need to have option as a return type. Okay, so I do that like this, right? Ooh. What is this? What am I what am I even trying to do? Rust option. Oops. Switch streaming category. Right. I changed it for YouTube. Frickin'. I remember there's a programming. What's the category? Software and game development. Very pog. Okay. I'm now a software and game development streamer. I'm developing a new game called Command 1-2. Okay, so this is like an implementation of null or nil. So you can explicitly say that this value is allowed to be null if you're stuck in your old ways of weakly typed languages. Option is like a holder type for something that can be none. So I'm exactly right. Okay, so what I am trying to do is allow different return types, because like, wait, no way. Am I already being guided to a better solution? I'm like, I'm going to put all the actions in one table. What if I have multiple? What if I have one for each type of function? Because I only need to access the types. So like if this is a, okay, here we go. Here, look. Okay. All right. So if this guy is player, I don't know, friggin', how does this work? Player, whatever. I don't know how this works. And then this is input string. And then it returns. It's so okay. So this is, if this is the commander parser for player. Does type generics exist? Of course it exists. And then this is the player parser, except parse commander. So then this would return player. And then this would do some string magic. Looking through player list and find player by name. Return player. Something like this. Okay, so this is so it'd be let I don't know. Something. Let's like this. Okay, so if there's two functions for parsing players, and then I have, does that make sense? It's a command. No, this is, I don't think this makes sense, actually. No, this isn't. Hold on. Thinking. Okay, what if they're overloaded? No, unlucky. I'm not being guided. It doesn't make sense in the end. All right, so these are not parsing functions. These are action functions. All right, and that is totally not correct. Okay, I'm going to save this. Wow, that was pretty smooth. I expected to just kind of die instantly. Never give up. Okay. Rust. Oh, Rust. Ah. Why does it keep doing that? Girl. Oh, right. I literally called the table actions. I never tested function 2. I guess I'm just going to have to test it. All right. Easy. Cargo run? No, because now I can do like this. Why does this end with a new line, But this, oh, line. Okay. Cool. Okay. Cargo run builds for you. Yeah, but it fucking waits a 0.06 seconds. Wow. And then what's this? This is plan. Look at this. Look at these dependencies. I like this. That other one got pretty crazy. Just by adding volcano, it's like, dependency hell. So what? If there's no semicolon, it returns. And it only and it okay. So I need to write this down. I forgot a semicolon here. But since the function being called matches the return type of main, the compiler the value is implicitly returned. Exclamation point. Well, let's see. Lib obtain.
Rust doesn't have implicit returns because almost everything in Rust is an expression which has a return value. The exception to this are statements in which there are only a few. One statement is semicolon, which takes an expression, throws away the expression's value, and evaluate to instead. Rust is better than implicit returns. Implicit return gives you the wrong mental model. It's not an implicit return. It's that Rust is an expression-based language. Stop calling it implicit returns! It's not implicit returns!
Lamau. Okay. Whatever you say, buddy. This is funny. I like, it's funny. This is clone is like I'm writing code and then like I imagine you delete clones to make the code good and it's harder. Like what would I do? Not do this. Why don't I go for it? Let's delete clone. Okay, so what I want to do here is read the first character. So I need to bring up that string page again that I just closed. What's this? What? Oh, there's a freaking option. Oh, it's here. Okay. Drain. Oh, that's interesting. Range. Sheesh. What are you making? I am making B-Hop 3. I'm going to make it in Rust and Vulkan, and it's going to take at least 5 years. And I'm starting right now. Leak. Dude, they have a built-in memory leak function? Oh! No way! It's actually just straight up a memory leak. What engine? That's the best part. I'm making the engine from scratch. I have been sad for probably 3 months or so, ever since I realized that I'm no longer working towards my life goals. Basically, my life goal was to release the B-Hop update. Because, like, I hated the game. I wanted to make it better. And then I did it. And then I was just, like, maintaining it, adding little things. But since I checked that off my list, the next item on the list was rewrite the entire thing as a new game. So I realized I was no longer working towards my life goals. So I'm working to remedy that today. And I plan to try to do Fridays as use my work tools, which is wake up, make coffee, live stream, to work on this side project. They stop you from making memory leaks and then give you a tutorial to make memory leaks. Lamau. I think I don't know, like, so there's no maybe clone is the right implementation here. I was looking for like select, where like like select a range. How does this work? Removes a specified range. Oh my god. Whoa. Drain. Collect. Whew. Oh, really? You can just smack it? You can just like go look at that. Wait. Oh! Can you do like that? What happens if I do this? Oh! Oh wait, is that not allowed? I'm crying. Oh, okay. So single quotes are for character. All right, what happens when I do like this? This is I strongly approve of this. Okay. Let's see what it says. Oops. Actually, string equals and string. You can't do that. Oh wait, is it two string? What? And then die? Okay, so this equals failed. This compiles, which is awesome. Okay, that's super cool. Okay, so I think that what's going on is this is straight up just not the same string, and you can't do that like Lua. So I'm gonna try this. Oh, that's what that means. Okay. Cow. Dude, cow is one of the reasons I want to use this stuff. I'm imagining like cow for state tracking. Do you post your VODs on YouTube? I stream live to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. Posting it after is a big hassle. What's cow? Copy on write. Not aware. Let's see. I guess it's easy to explain with files. So let's say you have a file, and then you're like, wow, it's a file. And then you do cow file. And then now you have a reference to, I don't know, so let's say call this moo. Moo is the file name, and this is the file contents. And then foo. All right, we're gonna use foo bar. So like this, and then if you read bar, you're like, oh, I'm gonna read what's inside bar. Read, I don't know, and then it shows the stuff. It's like, all right, there's stuff in the file, but what's happened here is it has made a reference to this. And so if you delete foo, the data is still there in bar. If you delete bar, the data is still there in foo. Well, there's only one copy of the data. It only writes a new copy if you go like bar write line or something. Bore. So now I have written, I've edited one of the files, and now I'm not even sure. I don't know if it's implementation details, but I think what happens is that this data stays shared. So it's like bar is like looking at the data, same data, and then it has also QWERTY on it. So like it's a reference to the data, kind of, but using really complicated file system stuff. But then you can also do it like this, where if you write this file, and then now bar is like that. What the hell? So now foo has QWERTY on it, and then bar has a reference to, I don't know, the first. I don't actually know how it works. So like range 0 to, what is it, like 16? I don't know, it's 12. Kind of. Like, I imagine it's more elegant. But so you make a 0 copy of the file that works via references. And then if you edit either or both of them, it will only write new data. So this is a feature of the Linux kernel as well. You can fork a process, and then so think about this. It's used in Factorio to save the game. So what Factorio does is it goes self fork. So like I am Factorio. Factorio me. I don't know, class. Whatever. I'm Factorio. And then I do self fork. And then I don't know, pass arguments. Save the game or something. And then now both programs are the same program, but one of them is told to save the game. They're both using the same memory because it's cowed. The original keeps running the game, but then the fork starts saving the game as it was when it copied the memory for free. So it instantly has a snapshot of so now like it's one process, now it forks, now it's two processes, now it does if save the game, then save the game as a fun, I don't know, and else keep running. Think I get it. So like this is one process, then it makes a new process that's an exact copy, and then if it detects that it's the copy that saves the game, then it saves the game. But if it detects that it's not that, then it keeps running. Yeah, so cow is zero copy. Kind of. It's zero copy plus. Zero copy is like passing a reference. It's literally just references. Cow is modifying a shared reference, and then only so like it has storage benefits as well. If you have copies, if you have 1,000 copies of the same file, it only uses one instance of the file size plus whatever metadata to save it, and then you can edit each one individually, and it only stores the difference. I think it only stores the difference, because like it would be less useful if it just copied the entire file when you start writing. Okay, so this doesn't work because it's not the same string. So I need like like this. Let's search. Oh. Oops. Dot contains. So I want to use strcomp, but for Rust. Directly compared. Ayo. What the hell? As dref. What the is that a freaking string? Are you env args? Oh, okay. Env? What are you smoking? I see. This is an argument parser. Wait. Let? If let? What are you... What the if let sum? What is this? Equals match. I don't know what this means. All right. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is a thing. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I could have done it like this, eh? But that's... Uh-oh, you didn't provide a first argument. Okay, so apparently you can literally just do this. But
Clearly not.
okay, let's check the diff and then delete. Okay. Might be exclusive. Oh. 0 to 2. You're right. You're right. That I did not consider that. This is probably gonna throw an error, but I can like look at it. All right, and then we do like this, do like this. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so but like then I don't need to. Yeah, then I don't need to do this. I'm gonna just use this one. Don't need to clone because I'm just checking it, and then. Does this work if I go like this? Four. So this does it? I don't know. Okay, we can. What? I don't know. It'll probably do something. All right, let's see. Type string cannot be indexed by integer. Actually, you can't do that. All right. What about get 0? How about now? All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Expected option. Option. Really? Wait. I see. Wait, do I have to like... Oof. It worked. Okay, so this is bad, but wait, I left the ampersand there. What the hell? Okay, whatever. Okay. Yeah, so delete new line. Also delete the first character. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Oops. Okay. Actually. Okay, you're gonna have to look it up. Ops. This is a range. Okay, so. Interesting. Okay. Got some. Okay, do we have like examples here? Oh, I see. That's like explicitly includes 3. So you can't do it from the back? Double-ended iterator. I feel scammed. Why is there no negative? Why can't I do like this? Scam. Real? I think I need brackets here, but let's see. Oh, okay. Right. Oh. How about that? Okay. Okay. So this implements this is a copy though, isn't it? But like I need to do that. I'm pretty sure cuz of the reasons, you know. Len is bytes. Yeah, but it worked, so get destroyed. Dot chars, but it's does this select characters or bytes? I'm not gonna support Unicode commands, okay? Just Oh, I'm gonna type Unicode characters. Get out. All right. So this is now a bit different. I could do this and then remove this. Wait. It implicitly knows the end of the range, but it can't do range -1? Huh? I guess they couldn't fit it into the... Like, it probably made the data type bigger or something. No, because it would just be a negative number. All right, let's smash this. I feel scammed. If I do this, it goes to the end. So why can't it know the end -1? I have a question for God. Why? Whatever, it works. I expect that this is faster. Actually, I have no... I literally have no clue. Learning a new language. You are correct. Rust. Oh, Rust. Oh, Rust. Doesn't look that bad. I've yet to learn it. It's been going like really smoothly, or fairly smoothly so far. Just going back and forth between Google Chat and the compiler, bouncing around like a ping pong ball. Very cool. All right. The grunting sounds. I mean, you've seen streams before. This is pretty smooth. Find something to use with it. Yeah. My main problem was that I like, I want to just jump right to the end. I want to make the entire game. I want to make an entire game engine. I want to make entire everything. But I don't know the language. I don't know the I don't know Vulkan. I don't know Rust. I don't know how to make my own standalone app. So starting somewhere. This is not the greatest little implementation here. Usually a good starting point. Well, I'm just a memory leak producing machine, so I figure Rust, which is memory safe, means I'll be forced to write better code. That's what that's what I want out of Rust, is to be forced to write good code and to be guided to good coding solutions. I think that sounds very epic. Let's check out the Goober file. Oh, the Goober file. Oh, I see. It's just standard. Okay. "24-hour Beyond Workforce." I think that's a new name. TBH. Come on. Hello? Holy. God, so bad. Really? You can't search for users. Holy. Oh no. I've received a call to gaming. When was this? What time is it? 19 o'clock. That was an hour ago. No gaming, must learn Rust. How? I I got my goal of going function or string to function. Integers, strings, booleans. Okay, I can do basic types. Maybe I'll do that next week. I don't want to do that next week. I want to do it now. Number vector 3. Okay, so if I implement these types, if I implement parsers, then I can okay goal, maybe even tomorrow, or maybe like later today. I don't know. The gamers are still gaming. I love Rust. Well, this has been a great success. I have exceeded my own expectations. Okay, so next goal is uh, write parsers for integer, string, boolean, make an add command to add two numbers. Rustlings. Rustlings. Oh, that's funny. What did I do? Oh my god. We're gonna put that back. Put that back. The true source of all suffering. Target index. The true source of the world's suffering. Index. Oh, it's a different branch. Index by player. Oh. I see. Good. Very good. Okay. I'm gonna go play Deep Rock Galactic. Oh, you can't see me. I was like holding up my finger. With the gang. Okay. I'm gonna go play Deep Rock Galactic with the gang. I might be back today or tomorrow. I want to make this a regular thing, where Friday is R&D for BHOP 3, which means Rust. It means Rust. Yeah. I'm very happy with today. Very nice. Rust. I should send this stream to my friend who is trying to learn programming. Okay. End of the stream. I can show you my command. Documents. Stop. I wonder if... No, it should be fine. So yeah, when I press enter, the stream stops. I wonder if it'll show any frames of the stream.